la ka changdar chai nyor ka dung din media ka changarau ka paikel ron kin dang rau de jandang rau de bakel agan mag bangut gok bay nong lar til na nong yen chang ka dung din media ka til la trodian ka jinup Sudan kana win mo na dodian wala ka changarau ka paikel dung din media but ka lar da rau ti spectacle lar to go ti baganong ye ka tin kiro lat ka jinup Sudan ka ngwaron wang andan lara nyam bala khori kiro lar ka nadafal e border town kam so Sudan kana Kenya ka southern part of Kapoita ki eastern Equatoria kormo nyi ngoron wangan che spela mayu che gad melagada spela maji gada SPD abente area wuni che obaran che control up to this morning then spela mayu ka pam control of nadafal town very strategic ka border town kam South Sudan kana Kenya. Another big news, la news ndi kon de chana gwor no gwaron wang dan in kon gumu gur kon na tiang news UA news de kon de to ko yoy ka gwaron wang dan de to ng tiang ko up to this morning the operation ka yoy is complete as fela mayu take a palm control of yoy town kana surroundings areas to contain a tiak ka yoy. So today morning we can say Ray Lock ala low no territory ka 3 counties Kanyarol ka Kubu ka Wuror kete la SPLA maji metewini kete element of SPDF right ka tugjan Ray Lock today. So a celebration which is continuous that we can bring to you all the information in Jarlat Kasin one antara Kortin Gaya Wale. Tenegane corner Yakop. We can talk about who Richard and Nenchang Edan. May take a line. May Kulo on go there dark. It take a cheer my care. You can lock a kid. Would an end corner may write a tongue. Kotong and a tongue noir was captured. Jacob alive can native port. So nekian around rama curb je tik aje wuri she mai kere chunkude me mo korbu na me she mai kere so e victory ka je wuri mo bana lar ga ko ken bana ga gwit bana ga wor mo no jawu nit up to this time ba ko no ye me do die ne wo korme nyin it was very quick very clean ti kwak la kwak SPDF dial Kayway, the Baba Nikin Dial. With only one the Baba. We share on the care in the morning, the room core, me Janangoje. So, my chair honor, a Janang quarar up to the last. You quarchigo barare. That means is under SPLA my control. Now, the chamat equipment okay and with Iraq. Kayway. And Mr. Keno is the development of this morning that Bandalia kind of destruction, can all the picture of the victory. Banaka upload Batchoy, Bagonoye, and then we continue celebrating. Come victory Mawalama. Now you is control. What is next? Malapokos these following days. Kakon ban right we talk about it, talk a lot about bad UI, what will happen. So what we know can line about there is only two barrack. He doesn't tell. Barrack at a youth, can a barrack at a goddamn. Can the only two barrack with a few soldiers to talk to take on barrack at all. So with the lightning speed and Anajel has PLMIU, what will happen next? Move to walk. So many to walk, a walk the dialato, including Duke. Okay, this following day, we get control of mighty as PLMIU. And if it happen, by youth, by isolated, but I can't ranga. Because all of you don't can create no more area of ayot keduk. Micha duk me akaba ayu tang wok jok. So they will decide whether to stay there or to leave. Ke big yen by themselves. A condition yen amulona ayu tell a korubated. So the big question ne the current have come. Young have come. And as supporters of the SPLM of the government. We should down to tweeting, to yarwington, to allton, to borothin. Can come okay, to Bukurgareto these following days. What is your position now? Position, you know, and a sharp. Because we know the government is there, they are bored. As well as my target, they are bored, but board by control. So, my board control of position board would. As we are hearing, right, we will not support. Kume self-care, can ta baka SPLM ayu, baka nyura. Ke buga nyuru nyurien, much take a bagalami, again. A legendin, big la member of SPLM ayu, ba declare nga, keken bor, kiken tui, kiken all, kenyar weng, and we big la member of SPLM ayu ba kulapan. So it need not only that we back a nyura, Guru ko ba SPLM ayu ba join immediately. Ko when the alakon, if they want to be a part of this revolution, like yen do riken my ken get romat SPLM ayu no what they take into. The only thing be you the one at all. Cha dobamo. Jam no bukum SPLM ayu ba jalgaye. Do the problem with their chap. Lakin kai ko ko no ba nyur. Alabor ga mai dure ina we ready and palake let them calculate ngot ko they decide ya ba mai ken mala ba wakel ba ka SPLM ayu ke bi yen ga diar jak te mai to bi wo wa tin ba kur ba leptin ku do no panman ena ga da ken botre rak board kan areas to cokin so right mo jarwa and that will happen ka kor kwa the work on thing. So all in all, a mobilization. We mobilize resource. Convert resource banana mobilize came away. But I come more resource, can you resource because material and the banagor. So now, Kora Tergamo, as we always talk commedia and one okay. Here Koran, Golager, Kona ideal right, Koran, whatever. You can take your gun, then you do not yacht. If you are not there because of the situation, don't keep a no tea with him. Take another mean to support that war. Be for the more be law. And I'm talking a lot about Janego, the island of the Western world. When the time comes for work, do the work. Miki not go tell you, but now go we're not going. Kachagwari and the war chaban. It's time now who are the law, are the okay, we are organized, but they don't be a contribute. That your contribution will help a lot, but now look, good feel. Lakini gola and we are supporting you, Katiga Mudi longer let a lot a bang. Mame a right time, let us mobilize ourselves. Nichang. If we talk about the area of law, you know the other content Nichang, you mobilize, Nika bell, Nika walk. I am a shamrodamo. I am a part of Wodo Cortero. Come a guard con, come a young man. You know, man, was the Alaconda continent outside of the country. Let us support our people there. For that, no corner or Kendra. Belulu already alato objective this year is the decision of self-care. Can I come? Ko ba mal ba nok ke chabno. And if they accept peace, by mature balloon. People go back to peace of 2018. Bijinubu lo igwada mulugaje and anye. Because of Kurjun of Sudan, Marama Guajam, by George, who Manokajam or Nani, by George. Canto Kurum. So it is their choice, go by mature balloon, people go back to peace of 2018, that is the only thing. It's a table now. So continue to update of today about UI that we can say UI can area na dia chaka control as fela mayu ni gwarun wangadan can urban centers can a barak na dia ka mai ke kwake ta ka te as fela mayu en manana chira bar ka wuro ke white army winimi ba kula da ken amana kwa pecture but the mission is going on weke that we talk about wure te daramoto their position must be clear ngot ken white army ken ni chobre dien ke as fela mayu so taro ken de no ye ko dung din media ga kwaron wangame ulu no te dia la kono ni wale enyi te the lodge because of the two victories to can achieve this morning and then